Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Windows Resource Protection could not start the repair service error. So in this brief tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve without too much of a hassle, and we're going to jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time, and you want to type in Services. Best match should come back with services underneath desktop app. You can select either one of these, but I'm going to select just the one that says services. And then once the services window opens, you want to look for a Windows module installer. So you want to scroll down here. So again, Windows modules installer, double click on it. Underneath startup type, you want to make sure it's set to automatic or automatic delayed start. And if server status is stopped, you want to start it, and then left click on apply and OK to save the change. Now I would suggest restarting your computer to make sure that took effect. Now if that did not resolve the issue, there is something else we can try here, which should also be pretty straightforward. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on it, and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on Yes. Now in this elevated command line window, you want to type in SC space config space trusted installer space start equals auto, and equals is the equals sign, don't spell out equals. So again, SC space config space trusted installer space start equals auto. Then you want to hit enter on your keyboard. Should say success. So once you've done that, now you want to type in net, so net space start space trusted installer. So again, net start trusted installer, a space in between net and start and trusted. Trusted installer should all be one word. Then you want to hit enter. So it might say that the service has already been started. However, if it was not, it would say the Windows module installer service is starting and that it has been started successfully. So just to confirm that it was able to save the change. Now, if that still did not work, I would again suggest restarting your computer at this point. So close out everything, restart your computer. Now, if that still has not resolved the issue, I would suggest going back into the Start menu, type in CMD again. You want to open up the command prompt by right-clicking on it, and left clicking on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, left click on Yes. Now you want to type in SFC space / scan now. So scan now should all be one word attached to that /. Then you want to hit enter. It should say beginning verification phase of system scan, and it will take some time to run, so you just want to be patient for that. So we are going to let it run for a couple moments here just so you guys get an idea for how the process is. It doesn't take very long to scan either. So I just wanted to show you guys that command. It will take some time to run, so just be patient. So I do have this brief tutorial, was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.